Alright guys, welcome back to our Tools channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook post private. So let's dive in. The first step is for you to open your Facebook. Okay, this is my Facebook. Open your Facebook, and the next step for you is to click on the streamline menu button here. Click on the streamline menu button, and the next step is for you to click on the settings, and then you click on this. Click on here and click on the post. Click on post, and after that the next step, click on post. The next step is for you to say to come and customize your post here. Now limit, you can see your past view, you can see your future. You the settings you wanted to see is not affected your past post because you did not set it for the past post. So now you're going to control your future, the one you wanted to start posting now. So you're going to just click on it and choose. Is it only your friends? Is it only your friends? Accept some friends. You want to limit some friends from seeing what you're posting, or is it a specific friend and only you? So you can choose anyone that you would like here, and it will be automatically saved. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, click on the like button. Oh yeah, thank you. Share, comment. You're so darling.